In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect joystick to Roblox. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Playing Roblox with a joystick, gamepad, or any controller that you have is extremely simple. You will be able to use it wirelessly through a cable, and it can be an official or just generic controller. For example, I am using a generic Xbox controller. All that you have to do is connect it to any platform where you are playing Roblox. So if you are on PC, usually you just have to plug either a receiver or the actual USB cable into any of the available USB ports. Once it is connected, you will be good to go. So in here, I have the Xbox controller, and all that you have to do to check if your controller is detected properly on PC is to right-click the Windows icon and go over to Device Manager. In here, you should be able to see the controller, and once it is detected by your PC or any other platform such as mobile or a console, you will be good to go. You can go ahead and join any experience. So for example, I'm going to go into Jujutsu Shenanigans, and usually the developers of the experience that you are joining have to implement support for controllers or game pads. So Jujutsu Shenanigans has full controller support. Because of this, all of the buttons will be adjusted. So as you can see at the bottom left, I'm able to use B to melee, Y to dash, X to block, and so on. However, if you join an experience that doesn't have controller support, then you might not see all of these controls here, and you will have to play just guessing the controls. But regardless, it should work flawlessly, so just join any server that you would like to play with a controller, and you will be able to use your gamepad or joystick on Roblox. Another example of a game that has full controller support is going to be Blox Fruits, so you will be able to play any of these experiences and use your controller on them when you join. I hope I was able to help you on how to use a joystick to play Roblox. If this video helped you, please remember to give it a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.